Today's grammar point.
The first one, 야겠습니다. You can use this expression when you realize that something needs to be done. So it is like saying, I need to, I think I should, I think I will have to.
Example time number 1.
공부를 해야겠어요. I need to study. 이제 가야겠어요. I think I should go now. 좀 쉬어야겠어요. 쉬다 means take a rest. So, I think I need to get some rest. And next one, 니을까요? You can use this expression when you suggest something. So, it is like, shall we? Or, how about? 같이 갈까요? Shall we go together? 커피 마실까요? How about some coffee? Today's last grammar point. 니을 수도 있다. It means something is possible, but we're not sure if it'll happen. So it can be translated as might, may, or could, depending on the context.
Example time number 1.
내일 비가 올 수도 있어요. 비가 오다. It rains. So it might rain tomorrow. 조금 늦을 수도 있어요. 늦다. Be late. So I might be a little late.
Dialogue.
Let's listen to the dialogue first.
수미 씨, 미영 씨 결혼식이 7시지요. 이제 가야겠어요.
네, 그런데 우리 어떻게 갈까요? 차를 가지고 갈까요?
거기 너무 복잡하니까 지하철로 가는 게 어때요?
그래요. 길이 막힐 수도 있으니까 지하철로 가요.
수미 씨, 미영 씨 결혼식이 7시지요. 이제 가야겠어요.
The notice here, 지요, it is used to ask for confirmation. And 결혼식, it is a compound word. And 결혼, it represents a wedding. And 식 represents ceremony. So 결혼식 means wedding ceremony. 수미 씨, 미영 씨 결혼식이 7시지요? 수미, 미영's wedding is at 7, right? And 야겠어요 means I think I should or I think I will have to. 이제 가야겠어요. I think we should get going now.
네, 그런데 우리 어떻게 갈까요? 차를 가지고 갈까요?
그런데 you can use this expression to change the topic or introduce a new point. So it's like saying, now let's talk about something else. 그런데 우리 어떻게 갈까요? By the way, how should we go? Now let's look at the expression 가지고 가다. 가지고 가다 means to take something with you. 우산을 가지고 가세요 means take an umbrella. So, 차를 가지고 갈까요? Shall we take the car? Or do you think we should take the car?
거기 너무 복잡하니까 지하철로 가는 게 어때요?
Let's look at the word 복잡하다, which means something is not simple and carries the feeling that there are lots of things going on. So it can be translated as be complicated, be crowded, be confusing, or be complex, depending on the context. Let's look at the example. 복잡한 문제, a complicated problem. And 길이 복잡하다, which means the traffic is complicated or the roads are confusing. 여기는 사람이 많아서 복잡해요. It simply means it's crowded here. So, 거기 너무 복잡하니까 it's too crowded there, so 지하철로 가는 게 어때요? How about taking the subway? And law here indicate tool or method.
그래요. 길이 막힐 수도 있으니까 지하철로 가요.
자, let's look at the expression 길이 막히다. It is a fixed expression and it has two meanings. There is heavy traffic or physically the road is blocked. 퇴근 시간에는 퇴근 시간 it represents after work hours. So speaking of after work hours, 길이 많이 막혀요. There is a lot of traffic. 공사 때문에 이 길이 막혔어요. This road is blocked because of construction. 길이 막힐 수도 있으니까 띄울 수 있다 represent might or may. Traffic might be heavy too. So 지하철로 가요. Let's take the subway. As we learned last time, 아요, 어요 can also be used to make a suggestion. So this sentence means let's take the subway. 자, 다시 한번 들어볼게요.
수미 씨, 미용 씨 결혼식이 7시지요. 이제 가야겠어요.
네, 그런데 우리 어떻게 갈까요? 차를 가지고 갈까요?
거기 너무 복잡하니까 지하철로 가는 게 어때요?
그래요. 길이 막힐 수도 있으니까 지하철로 가요.
If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe and give it a like.